So now let's use the time delay option and utilize the interval and scheduled capture option. So over here you can see that there's time delay that's turned off. If I were to open up, you can actually enable it out. And I can delay something for around, let's say for example 3 seconds or 4 seconds, and this is something we took a look at when we were using menu capture. So capture it, what happens is that it will only take the screenshot after that particular 3 seconds, just like that. So now I'm just going to go around and I'm going to set my capture to window right over here, and then use selection window size and use fixed size. So capture active window. Yes, this is what I want to choose. So now over here, I can capture within intervals. So I can capture every 1 second. So I'm going to do, let's say for example, capture every 5 seconds right over here. And discard identical. That will be helpful. So if you have the same one, then it'll just delete that out. So let's just hit the start button and see what we can do. So we are working with Paint 3D right here. So let's just hit the start button and now it'll start capturing. So I can do my things right here. I can bring in 3D shapes right over here, just like that, and close it out. Okay, so that's the 3D shape. Go on to 3D view. I can rotate this around right over here, just like that. So all of the steps. So if you want to record out certain steps right here, you can just use that out. You can go on to 3D library right here. It's loading out, as you can see right here. And then over here, there are a lot of things that you can choose from. So now over here, you can go to effects. You can move this around to change around the effects. You can go to text right here, type it in some text or even a 3D text right over here, just like that, and then work around with it. And then once everything is done, what happens is that you can simply hit stop right over there. So it took a screenshot in each 5-second interval. So once I open up the editor, you can see that it got multiple screenshots just like this. So this is very good if you want to document something out. So for documentation, this really helps out because after each and every 5 seconds, there's a screenshot over there to prove the works that you did, just like that. And then after that, on the time delay section, you can also schedule out the certain time that you want to take screenshot in. So right now it's just like that. Right now it's 9:28 right over here. So you can go around and select exact seconds. Let's say for example, if you want to take it within, let's say 9:30 a.m., then you can simply select that out and then hit start and it'll take a screenshot at 9:30 a.m. just like that. And that is how you can utilize out the interval capture and schedule capture option inside of Snagit. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.